This video is a very special lap of Donington for 50 years of Caterham cars. Also in this video you will be able to count how many Caterhams are on the straight at the same time, so let's get into the video. All the owners were early ready to go, and there was even some fun while waiting.
Here we are, waiting patiently.
Waiting very, very patiently.
Yeah, look at the sun coming through the trees. It's a glorious evening, and we are surrounded by more Caterhams, all waiting patiently.
Here we go. This is the power of crowds. Billy, what does yours sound like? Really bad horns. That is pretty funny.
Mine's quite loud actually. Yours that loud, James? Come on, James.
Look at him covering it up.
You're scared of a horn, James?
We'll just blame him. I bet it sounds the same anyway.
Oh,
that's a cute one, isn't it?
That's why you don't want us to do it.
It's positive though. It's like a friendly horn.
Let's walk around if it's
Or the horn is no more. He's going to press it for him. That's a good one. You know he's upgraded. That's blatantly been upgraded. Yeah, that's all right.
This lap is very special as it's for lots of Caterhams, and I'm pretty sure nobody knows exactly how many cars took part until now. You'll be able to count them very soon, but here are some clips of us driving around to the straight.
Donington!
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
I need to drive this track at some time because the undulations are amazing at the Craner curves, and this track just looks like a blast.
I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some... They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
We just did the rumble strips at Donington.
Yeah. Does it class as driving round?
Does it class? Does it class?
Can they get a sticker for driving round?
Yeah, I think it does.
They don't wanna see me naked, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I...
Everyone wave, everyone wave. Woohoo!
Here we are getting parked up properly on the straight, and then people started getting out of their cars. Are you ready to count how many Caterhams took part in this? I asked my passenger Sam if he wouldn't mind running up the side of the straight with a GoPro, and he did, so we can count now.
Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
I think we might be moving.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
to try to stay strong and fake us.
Let me know in the comments below how many Caterhams that you managed to count.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.
Sam, did you have a good time? Was it fun going
It's been
around
awesome,
Donington?
hasn't it? What a time at Donington Park.
Very good. Very
Not been here for
privileged to
decades.
drive around. Very good. So
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
thank you, Donington. Thank you, Caterham, and thank you to the Caterham Related Centre.
Yes,
And anyone
well
else
said.
who was involved.
Yeah. Thank you to the weather.
Yeah, very good day.
Thanks to everyone who turned up. Made it what it is.
Yeah.
Was it. Done. Check this out.
This was an amazing experience that money can't buy, and thank you to everybody involved in this that made this happen, including all of the owners. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.
As you